jungle.
Welcome to Juniors. My name is Hafifa and Andika. I will accompany you for next several times. Our news today is earthquake in Cianjur, West Java. Viewers, Cianjur Regency in West Java experienced a tectonic earthquake that occurred on land at a depth of 10 kilometers on Monday, 21st November 2022 around 3 West Indonesia time. After the earthquake, an estimate 94 people died and 30 others were declared missing following the earthquake in Cianjur, West Java. According to BPBD spokesman Andika, 2,054 people were injured in 3 different districts. For the first, we will hear a direct report from Fitri Hanifah, who is in Sukabumi. Hello Fitri, can you hear me? So, what can you report about our news today?
Yeah, Hafifa, I can hear you. So, I'm at Sukabumi Regency. In here, there were 431 damaged houses, 5 units of educational facilities damaged, 6 units of worship facilities damaged by the earthquake. Now, I'm with two nieces will ask about the correct condition. Hi, share what's your name?
Hi miss, my name is Ibni Adib.
Hello miss, my name is Hamidul Alim.
Okay, share. May I know what the impact of this earthquake to you?
Yeah, my house was destroyed and my family suffered injuries. Until now, we are still waiting for help from the river.
As a teacher at school, I was so sad to see place I had been teaching so for that's great. That was very bad.
I'm so sorry to hear that, sir. I hope the help from the government will come soon. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, miss.
Okay, that now Hafifa from me Fitri Hanifah in Sukabumi Regency. Back to the studio.
Okay, thank you Fitri Hanifah. Now we will hear a direct report from Fitri Suci Yulia, who is in Bogor Regency. Okay Fitri, can you hear me?
Yeah, Hafifa, I can hear you. So I report from Bogor Regency. Not only Sukabumi, residents in Bogor Regency also experienced the impact of the earthquake. There were 24 houses damaged and a unit of worship facilities likely damaged. I'm with one of the victims. Will ask about the current condition. Hi sir, what's your name?
Hello miss, I am Hasbiy Azwhi.
May I know what the impact of this earthquake to you?
This earthquake made me and my family very shocked, but alhamdulillah there were no serious injuries.
Okay, thank you sir for the information. Okay Hafifa, that enough from Fitri Suci Yulia reporting from Bogor Regency. Back to studio.
Okay Fitri, thank you. Well, that's all the information we get from our reporter. Many people have suffered losses and injuries. We hope that everyone will recover quickly and be able to get up soon. Stay alert for aftershocks off. Alright, that's all our